This week we're showing you how to make a healthy and affordable tofu steak dinner. You will need to cut a firm block of tofu in half and marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. Chop 2 to 3 large potatoes and boil for around 20 minutes until tender, and fry your tofu in a preheated frying pan. Add some pepper and turn regularly until nice and golden and crisp. Prepare some frozen peas and add to your boiled potatoes with plenty of butter and some mixed herbs. You can finish your tofu steak off in the oven, and if you'd like to add some samphire, which gives a lovely salty flavour, you can fry this in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes and add this on top of your potatoes.